Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to take my birthday pictures. Yeah, and this year, this is the first time in probably like 5-6 years, because when I was in Jamaica, my friend always take my pictures since university for 3-4 years straight. He's been taking my pictures. But when I migrated, I took pictures with my phone. So this is the first time in 5-6 years that I'm getting my pictures taken professionally or with a good camera. And the same person that did our pictures for Christmas is the same person that is doing my picture. But yeah, we are going to take some pictures, and we are running late as usual. I text her. I get so anxious when I'm late to the point where I miss my exit, and it's a mess, guys. But I get so anxious because I try my best to like be on time. I really don't like people like waiting for me. So I try my best to like be on time. Yeah, so I went to get my pictures taken. I was running late. Sorry, my phone got full, so I don't know where I ended that last clip. I was running late, and I try not to be late because I get so anxious. I hate people waiting for me. I feel like it's just like so rude growing. Like when I was like younger, then it was fine, especially if it's not my event. I just feel like it's so rude because people have stuff doing, you know. So anyways, we did what we could do, and I know that she's going to do a great job, like just trying to get the best photos. So I'm super happy.